Me step in at the morning sun. Holy chalice burning one by one. Ancient fire blaze up strong. Cleanse me heart from Babylon wrong. Me chant a song on the hillside breeze. Ganja smoke rise, set me mind at ease. This year herb it a holy key. Open the eye for the divinity. Iron fire, light for the soul. Me say, burn it for the gold. Ganja fire, take control. Cleanse out the cold. On iron fire, light for the soul. Make the spirit unfold. See the truth untold. In a herb we hold. Irie vision come true, me smoke. Me hear Jah voice in a holy note. Me try to fire but me not choke. Sacred plan, the prophet's cloak. Me burn the stress, me burn the hate. Fire purify me mental state. Meditation open gate. To Zion I, me elevate. I have fire, light for the soul. Me say, burn it for the gold. Ganja fire, take control. Cleanse out the cold. I have fire, light for the soul. Make the spirit unfold. See the truth untold. In a herb we hold. Me see the fire, me feel the flame. Ganja light call Jah name. Purify me heart, me claim. No Babylon chain can tempt. Light it up, burn it slow. Spirit right, let the fire glow. Jah know sing. When the herb light up, the spirit rise up. Babylon fall down, consciousness open up. We trot through the smoke into Zion gates. Yeah. Me sit on the hilltop, sunrise in my eyes. Flute a play soft breeze, whisper from the skies. Meditation deep, my soul start to fly through the green healing leaf. Me touch the most high, me burn out illusion. Babylon can't hide, them system crumble when the truth inside. Natural art healing, roots and creation. Me chant to Jah Jah, pure vibration. Herb gate to Zion, open wide tonight. Through the smoke and the spirit, me find the light. No more confusion, no more fight. Just love and meditation in a Jah side. Me travel far, but me can't get lost. Cause the herb show the way on the righteous course. Them call it we, me call it key. Unlock the temple of divinity. Herb a guide me through the mystic zone. Zion vibration call me home. Herb get to Zion, open wide tonight. Through the smoke and the spirit endless light. No more worry, no vanity show. Just peace, height of life on the Rasta flow. Herb gate to Zion, me trod inside. Through the calm of the herb, me spirit glide. Babylon illusion can't divide. Me live for love, me live for Jah God. The herb is no sin, it's the key to within. Babylon teach confusion, but the green leaf show revelation. Step through the herb gate, straight to Zion faith. Yeah, Irie, I see the sunshine pon the morning. Green leaf a shine, make the spirit warning. Jah creation, from the earth it rise. Ganja bless, open up my eyes. The smoke it linger, purify me soul. Every puff remind me Jah a hold. Life eternal, from the ground it grow. Sacred herb, the truth it show. Herb of Jah, guide me way, heal me heart, make me pray. Every leaf I live in life. Ganja bless, Jah inside. From the hills of Zion to the rivers flow. Me meditating, let the rhythm slow. In the smoke, me find my peace. All the pain and the sorrow cease. The herb I teach, the herb I guide. Nothing hide when Jah by my side. Every tone a holy vibration, living in a love and contemplation. Herb of Jah, guide me way, heal me heart, make me pray. Every leaf I live in life. Ganja bless, Jah inside. One love, one heart, feel the creation. Ganja show the path to salvation. Sacred leaf make we rise above. In a Jah light, in a eternal love. So we chant, so we sing. Ganja bless, make the spirit ring. Herb of Jah, forever true. Me soul lifted, Jah love renew. Jah power rise, I have seen. Them can burn the book, but not the word. Them can ban the herb, but not the truth where it carry. Rastafari, ever living, ever true. Babylon set up them law on the ganja. Say it wicked, say it bring disaster. But the same earth where Jah create for we, grow the healing for the nation naturally. We burn the fire, Me chant redemption, truth and right. That time me weapon. Them can't change the wisdom of creation. Jah light shine bright. No abomination. Them can ban the air, but not the truth where it carry. Them can lock me up, but me spirit not tarry. Jah give we power stronger than Babylon law. Roots and culture, me chant for Zion Jah. And them can ban the air, but not the light where it bring. It open up the mind, make the righteous man sing. Me trod through the fire, still me heart stay pure. Spiritual power, me sure, me sure. Them police patrol, them a watch the corner. Me see them fear the wisdom of the farmer. Cause one little seed can wake the sleeper. One little puff make the mind get deeper. Them preach control, but Jah teach free will. Truth can't dead, truth can't steal. Me stand like lion, me nah bow. Rasta rise firm, me chant right now. Roots rhythm beat like heart of warrior. Drum and be shake down the barrier. Chancellor CIA, King and Father. Babylon crumble when truth get down. Jam on the earth, but not the truth where it carry. Them can jail me body, but my soul stay merry. Jah law eternal, them law temporary. Me live for the light, me trod revolutionary. So tell them say the herb is for healing, not for crime. Rasta sight the power before the time. Babylon system can't blind your line. Herb of truth, forever divine. Jah fire burn, burn, burn. It's a holy herb, rise, rise, rise. You open up the high mind, truth in the sky. Me light up the chalice, me call Panja name. This ya holy herb, it no play, no game. It torment me heart, it cleanse me brain from the stress and the wicked Babylon chain. When me take a draw, me sight get clear. Me hear the voice of Jah whispering near. No illusion, no vanity seen, just roots meditation, pure and clean. What's this holy air? Key to the Zion mind. It lift up the soul, leave Babylon behind. Then on the ganja is sacred, Jah design. Open the eye, truth we find. But it's breath of Jah, spiritual lessons from near and far. The prophets them born it from ancient time. King Solomon, Moses, the holy sign. This no recreation, this revelation. Me feel Jah light in a meditation. The herb teach I, the herb heal I. It make a reason with the Most High. House is holy herb, key to the Zion mind. It lift up the soul, leave Babylon behind. And on the ganja is sacred, Jah design. Open the eye, truth we find. What the herb do? It open me mind. Who bless the plant? Jah all the time. Why we burn the fire? Fi cleanse the soul. Rastafari live forever. Ganja grow from the holy ground. Sunlight kiss it, Jah love surround. Raindrops fall, make the life abound. From Zion side come the sacred sound. Earth has speak, if you only hear. Whisper truth in the cool night air. Babylon burn, but time and no fear. Jah roots strong and Jah people near. Hey, ganja from the holy earth. Jah give the seed, feed the I'm on bird. Babylon can't chop down Jah roots, cause his spirit growing out the fruits. Yeah, growing out the fruit, growing out the fruit. Whoa, growing out the fruit. Yeah, growing out the fruit, growing out the fruit, growing out the fruit. Yeah, from creation time, the herb divine heal the mind and cleanse the line. When I light the chalice, I see the sign. Jah wisdom flow like the ancient wine. I trod on the mountain high. Smoke rise up to the morning sky. Nature call and I answer why. Babylon fake, but Jah truth can't die. Who plant the seed? Jah plant the seed. Who bless the weed? Jah bless the weed. Who hold the roots? Rasta you. Who fight the lie? Truth can't die. Ganja from the holy earth. Jah give the seed for the I'm on bird. Babylon can't chop down Jah roots, cause his spirit growing out the fruits. Yeah, growing out the fruit, growing out the fruit. Oh, growing out the fruit. Yeah, growing out the fruit, growing out the fruit, growing out the fruit. Yeah. Ganja from the holy earth. Jah give the seed for the I'm on birth. Babylon can't chop down Jah roots, cause his spirit growing out the fruit. Rolling out the low. Keep your feet in the soil. Keep your heart in a jar. No matter how Babylon tall, them can't uproot the law of nature, the law of love, the law of Rasta. Me light up the chalice, give thanks for the day. Just gonna rise and me heart start pray. Bless up the herbs, make the spirit sway. I and I chant truth in a ancient way. The rhythm a roll and the heartbeat drum. Call upon Zion, the kingdom come. Fire fi purify, smoke fi guide. The spirit of Jah always inside. Hearken, oh, Jah will lift up smoke and song. Chant for the truth. truth in the eye. No Babylon system can crucify the wisdom of Jah. Never run dry. Chant psalms of peace in a sacred flame. Call Jah name, it no bring no shame. This a holy vibration, righteous claim. Me heart and the smoke, them a move the same. Akio, Jah will lift up smoke and song. Chant for the truth, where the righteous belong. Ganja incense rise to the sky so strong. Praises to the earth all day long. Lead the earth with the healing, Jah Jah know. Righteous fire make the spirit glow. Lift up your heart, let the praises flow. Sacred smoke reach Zion door. Jah wind carry the incense high. Me soul purified under the ital sky. Ganja is the truth, Jah light never die. Chanting praises till I and I fly. Oh, Jah will lift up smoke and song. Chant for the truth, where the righteous belong. Ganja incense rise to the sky so strong. Praises to the earth all day long. One Jah, one love, one breath of life. Me say, come brethren, come sister, gather round the firelight. Pass the chalice to the left, let the spirit rise tonight. From Kingston town to Zion gate, we chant for peace, not fight. Cause when the herb ignite, the soul feel light. Yes, the soul feel light. I say, share the chalice, share the light. Why one Jah, one love, burn away the strife. When we pass the cup, we breathe as one. Same breath of life under the rising sun. Share the chalice, share the light. Why one Jah, one love, Rastafari unite. Oh, yeah. See the smoke rise high, like prayers to Jah sky. Healing of the nation, the truth can't deny. From the hills of Ethiopia to the hearts we cry. The herb bring love, the herb bring life. One breath, one love, one fire from above, one fire from above. Share the chalice, feel the vibe. Yeah, man. Light up the fire for the higher meditation. This your wine, Jah communication. Blow it worldwide, sin. Ganja smoke of the wine of Jah, spreading love and light near and far. Every puff bring wisdom in the air. Every chance and healing's everywhere. Yeah. Jah breeze blow strong. Me say, roll it up gentle, burn it pure and clean. Sacred herb make the mind stay keen. From the hills of Zion to the city scene, Jah message travel on the mystic stream. Smoke rise high like a holy sign. Carry the truth through space and time. Each draw a prayer, each breath divine. Ganja breeze open up the third eye line. Ganja smoke of the wine of Jah, spreading love and light near and far. Every puff bring wisdom in the air. Every chance and healing's everywhere. Babylon can't stop what Jah ordained. The wind still blow fi wash out pain. Every breath me take, me feel the change. Break away, consciousness remain. Roots vibration in every toe. Natural meditation deep in a bone. The wind of Jah carry soul back home. Through the smoke, me never walk alone. Oh, Jah breeze, carry the peace pon the morning sea. One love spread like a whisper, please. Let the earth be the voice of it. Ganja smoke of the wine of Jah, spreading love and light near and far. Every puff bring wisdom in the air. Every chance and healing's everywhere. Ganja smoke of the wine of Jah, spreading love and light near and far. Every puff bring wisdom in the air. Every chance and healing's everywhere. Blow, Jah wine, blow. Carry consciousness where the people go. One puff, one prayer, let the spirit flow. Cause ganja smoke of the wine of Jah, you know. Yeah, yeah, yeah. On the banana bird, soul, soul, soul. In the banana, na, 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 na. Yeah. This ya feed the warriors of the light sin. No gun, no knife. Just the word, the herb, and the song. We trod on righteous vibration. Selassie I guide us. Man rise up early in the morning sun. break the chain, tear Babylon asunder. Sound system is my weapon of wonder. Spread the message from yard to yonder. In the smoke of wisdom we try. Every puff of prayer, every beat for God. Man can't stop this natural ride. Righteousness rise, evil get flogged. Word, earth, and sound unity bound from the roots to the sky. Consciousness found